Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a WordPress website using ChatGPT in 2023. Of course, WordPress is a popular platform for building websites, and with the assistance of ChatGPT, you will create a stunning website. So we'll guide you through the process or step by step. So let's get started on creating your own websites using ChatGPT and let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first step is just going to open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Then, of course, you'll have to go and choose a domain name for your website. A domain is the address where your website will be located, which is going to be normally www.yourwebsite.com. Of course, your website is just the domain name. And of course, the .com is included even in the domain name. So you'll have to go and choose or get a domain name for your website. And of course, you will need to select a hosting provider that will store your website files and make it accessible on the internet. There are many hosting providers available, so choose one that suits your need and budget. Once you have a domain and hosting, you will need to install WordPress. And of course, most hosting provider offers a one-click WordPress installation feature, making it easy to set up your website simply and follow the instructions, of course, provided by your hosting provider to install the WordPress on your domain. Of course, like there's the GoDaddy, there's even you can use WordPress for creating a WordPress website. So choose whatever hosting provider you want. And of course, WordPress offers a wide range of themes that controls the design and layout of your website. You can choose from like free themes available in the WordPress theme directory or opt for the premium themes that offers more customization options. And of course, you can browse through the available themes and select one that aligns with your website's purposes and aesthetic. Let's just say I'm just going to open a WordPress so you will have like an idea about what we're talking about. So as an example, you'll have to go and get your domain. You can get it in WordPress as an example. If for one of their plans, you can go and check all the plans and see the features of that plan if it's included, like the domain. As you can see, all the plans has the free domain for 1 year, so all the plans that has it. And of course, we will have to go and choose a theme for our plan. We can go and give a name to our site and a lot of other stuff, of course. And of course, with WordPress, you have the flexibility to customize the website appearance and functionality. You can even start by accessing WordPress dashboard as example, and where you can make changes to various settings. You can customize the site title, tagline, logo, and other general settings. So you can go and do that by your own. And of course, you can even go and like create some pages and menu. So a website typically consists of multiple pages, such as the home page, about page, service page, and context page using the WordPress dashboard. You can create these pages to add content to them. Afterward, creating a menu that will serve as a navigation for your website, allowing visitors to easily access different pages. And of course, you can even go and install like some plugins. Plugins are powerful tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress website. You'll be able to do that on the local host. So let's just refresh here. And of course, you can find plugins for various purposes such as contact forms, SEO optimization, security, and social media integration. Install and activate the plugin that's essential for your website. So here's it. As you can see, you can go to the plugins. You can add some plugins, go and install whatever plugin suits your needs. Of course, I have a lot of plugins that may help you on this channel. You can go and check a lot of videos on the channel on how to do that. And of course, you can even customize and add content. So once you're done, of course, with your plugins, it's time, as an example, to customize each page by adding text, images, videos, and other like media elements. You can even use the WordPress editor to format the content and make it visually appealing. Ensure your content is engaging, informative, and relevant to your website's purposes. And of course, you'll have to go and test everything and launch it. But before testing and launch it, as you can see, we didn't use ChatGPT at all. So simply, you'll have to go and open a new tab and open OpenAI.com. Of course, chat.openai. I forgot the chat.openai.com and hit the enter button. Of course, they will ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, simply log in into it. But if you don't, make sure to go and create an account by clicking on sign up. For me, I'm just going to log in into my account. As you can see, I can log in with Google, Microsoft account, or Apple account. The same will be as sign up or creating your account. So simply go and do that, which will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Of course, this will skip a lot of steps for you from logging in to even creating an account. So I don't know why didn't log in. It should normally log in. Anyway, once it's logged into your account, as you can see, you'll find chats here, and you can start chatting with ChatGPT. So simply, as an example, I'm just going to type to it. I need help creating my WordPress website. Can you help me with the steps and coding? As an example, I'm just going to see what he's going to respond. And as you can see, he will tell you all the steps that you will need to get your websites on WordPress. So as you can see, let's just go through the steps. As you can see, the step one, which is setting up a domain and hosting. As you can see, or as I mentioned before, you will need a website that will get you a domain name. As you can see, register a domain name. You can do that on GoDaddy or a hosting provider like Bluehost, SiteGround, and of course, you'll have to configure your domain to the point hosting server. Then you'll have to go and install WordPress on that hosting server. Once you do that, you'll have to go choose and install a theme, as we said, then customize your theme and install any essential plugins. As you can see, he even give you some example of the plugins that you may need, and of course, you can even can you give me more plugins, as example, plugins for security that I can install on my WordPress website. And of course, he will surely give you the examples that you need, as you can see. So he'll give you everything and all the information that you need about this plugin. So make sure to go check them out and install them. And of course, as you can see, other steps that's here is suggesting creating customized pages. As I said before, set up some navigation, so you can go to the appearance menu, add like blog posts, configure the site settings, and enhance the performance and security. So simply by following the steps that ChatGPT telling us, will create a good visually website, which, and of course a secured one. Of course, if we need anything else, we can go and ask him again, and be sure that he will help you with anything. If you're encountering any problems, you can always go back to ChatGPT and he will certainly help you. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully created your own WordPress website using ChatGPT in 2023. Of course, by following these steps to choose a domain and hosting, install WordPress, choose a theme, customize the websites, creating pages and menus, install plugins, customize and add content, and test and launch your website. You have laid the foundation for an engaging online presence. Remember to regularly update and maintain your website to keep it fresh and relevant. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.